Chinese from Singapore. Today I'm at the Clarke area for a nice boat ride. I'm gonna walk from here, Clarke to the raffles place MRT. Let's join me for this wonderful, beautiful walking tour, man. Let's go. No boat key. Wow, look at the bridge. You can see Marina Bay Sands from here, right? That building over there. Cross the road from here and you're going to go down this path. Is called the bar street, or it's a boat quay area, and from there you'll be the raffles place and walkable to the Baleang Park. Wow, look at all these shop houses, heritage collection, apart hotel. It's nice to dine here and you can see the Singapore River, right? And the Marina Bay Sands. So I'm all here already eating. Here is famous for their like seafood and happy hours. There's the Indian restaurant, the curry, the China Shandong restaurants, China food right here. Seafood, almost. Wow, look at that, man. It's nice, man. Eating nasi lemak right here, the curry chicken cutlet right by the riverside. You know, at night here we transform to more exciting place because there'll be lights here and music blasting. Even the frogs like to be here, man. Sichuan cuisine has been becoming more popular in Singapore. But I think it lacks some such places. The Thai as well, Michelin 2018 Fisherman Pier. Wow, look at that. Is there a motor there? A scooter. It's a place for expats. When you come to jog also, you know, the air is fresh. Although later in the night there'll be people smoking. Or rather, currently there are people smoking but less than that compared to the nighttime crowd. I wonder anyone lives upstairs. There could be hotels here, but I yet to see. It's nice to have a hotel just above, right? But then it's difficult to sleep until 2-3 a.m. But if you're a night party animal, then no problem. You can just go back to your hotel above the bars, you know, and just crash into your bed and sleep until noon. What's this, eh? Victoria Nanda Pub. Couples also like to hang out here and sit by the riverside steps. This will be the Singapore River Boat Quay, but the wording is a bit like, it's very worn out already. You know, Singapore and the world will be a better place if smoking is banned, just like chewing gum is banned in Singapore, because the secondhand smoke is really bad to health. I get allergic to smoke, so I get allergic to cigarette smoke, so I just wear a face mask if I see a lot of smokers. But for the sake of the video, I do not wear any face mask right now. From here you can see the 5-star Fullerton Hotel already, and that direction, right, it leads to the famous Baleang Park, as well as the 5-star Hotel Marine Oriental. So many buildings over there. Asian Civilization Museum. Wow, giraffes take your neck out for the common good. You know, and then from here, right, you can actually see around this little cute little square seat, right, and you can watch the boats. This is no, that's only 2 tourists, but sometimes you can see the full boat of tourists, and it's really a nice experience, especially at night, because most of the times on the boat there'll be music, there'll be lights, and yeah, and the whole boat quay area right over there, right, will be lit up. This is one of the favorite expat area for the Amor, the foreigner community. Many years ago, I used to work at Raffles Place, this area, in some of the banks here. But working hours are really long, right? I mean, it's like from 8 a.m. morning until like 9 to 10 p.m. doing some operations work. And then when you go home, right, you just want to sleep. After you have some meal, you sleep, and the next day will be the same thing. You wake up very early, like 6 a.m. or even 5:30. Well, that's a old story. So this is Singapore River. You know, there are seas and beaches in Singapore as well. Not only at the man-made beach in Sentosa, but in East Coast Park area. And on the west side, there is a West Coast Park in some of the other areas. Personally, I prefer the sea though, but I'll make do with the river water because it's much cleaner and there's much more here. And every time I come to this river or other river or seas in Singapore or any part of the world, right, I will remember the 张惠妹 the singer, the song The 听海。写信告诉我，今天海是什么颜色？夜夜陪着你的海，心情是如何？灰色是不想说，蓝色是忧郁。I finally make it to Raffles Place MRT. The office crowd is just going home. Now it's 6:10 p.m. on a weekday. And now they install some security checks machine in the corner. And there's a cute robot here. As well, if you're thirsty, there's an orange juice machine for just $2 per cup. So take care everyone. I'd like to see you guys in the next video. Please take care and Happy Chinese New Year, Year of the Dragon. In advance, you know, there are 2 more weeks before the Chinese New Year. Alright everyone, take care. See you guys in the next video and bye bye.